Into ya day na obi ne ne yire wo kasoa ho mu baby obatimi abo mo ba 13-year-old girl, not even boy, girl, and kill that girl. They cane the girl with a cane, beat the girl with iron rods, beat the girl with sticks until they have killed the girl. And the Bible said the niyeme bi ba. Metime dwane afiri saa niyeme nim makogina wo nipa. Eniyeme ba na no dene. Me nam ka kire. Eniyeme ba anu dene. Anu dene. You see, very soon you will go to a church and meet live sex happening in church. We are living in a generation of madness. Ecclesiastes chapter number 9 and verse number 3. We are living in a place of madness. The Bible said, and this is an evil among all things that are done under the sun. There is one event unto all, yes, also. The heart of the sons of men are full of evil. Yeah, full of evil. And the Bible said that this generation is a mad generation. And madness are in their heart while they live. There is a dumb. Let me close with it. In Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse number 3. Let me go. For the sake of time. And the Bible said a damo makumemu. A breklono womotiasia na de dambe wo makumem. Nipa a dam with nipa kumemu say. We share will be ne from Facebook. Hey, generation munyenesa. You don't know anybody. What Shia will be for the first time. Vision one, Mishia sister be with Vision one on a young man. I say, Papa, deliver us. I'm so here, dear, who knows we here deliver. A real school, SHS war, up north. Na guy women in a chat. It was social media. You know how many will be chat. It ran one man by country. Sana boy back on an or by will be the Oduro so. I then our men in a chat and was sending in naked pictures of Bremen or see naked pictures near 2000. Nam see me 2000 or some about them. Na me am a damn neighbor. Nam so be nyabo.